Hi, and welcome to Tool Zone. Today's video is packed with astonishing skills and seamless execution. These aren't just tasks. This is where hard work meets art. Take a seat and step into the world of true professionals. Every move of his hands brings a piece to life, turning simple materials into stylish design icons. It's no wonder his collection is so impressive. Who wouldn't want their space filled with handcrafted beauty like this? The mix of glowing glass and natural wood makes for a stunning design combo. Ever think about how much effort goes into something as basic as shoe insoles? While we're busy stomping around on them, someone's out there cutting, molding, pressing, gluing. Suddenly, your feet's comfort makes a whole lot more sense. Who among you could paint a bedspread as quickly and smoothly as this guy? Working with wood has always demanded a steady hand and sharp skill. This craftsman clearly has both in spades. What a dramatic fall! The tree came down as if it were sliced into perfect sections. All that's left is a clean-cut stump, a quiet tribute to its former height. Unloading oversized cargo is where muscle meets brainpower, and when the crew throws in some clever thinking, hard labor suddenly looks like a form of mechanical artistry. The form turned out absolutely flawless. There's beauty in simplicity, and this piece proves it perfectly. Sometimes, less really is more. Healthy food is great, but when it looks this good, it's even more tempting. How do you like the outcome of this dish staining process? Filleting fish isn't easy, unless you're this guy. He makes it look effortless. That omelet looks so light and fluffy, it's like a cloud landing in the frying pan. Even a massive trench won't stop a skilled excavator driver. He'll find a way through. With that speed and precision, one question comes to mind. Is this a human or a robot, controlling a tool while bouncing a ball like it's nothing? This isn't just talent, it's actual wizardry. Want a ceiling no one else has? Grab a mop, some paint, and a great mood, and let chaos lead the way. Who knows, maybe your apartment will end up in a modern art museum. The messier, the better. A true craftsman with a tool in hand is a living example of how skill and technique blend to produce perfection. Every movement flows effortlessly, without excess, as if he's not working, but performing a graceful and intricate act. To improve traction, a man brushes the surface of freshly poured concrete, adding texture to the sidewalk. A construction comb is used to spread adhesive evenly on walls during building work. I'm willing to bet you've never seen how false eyelashes are made. It's a mesmerizing process that takes both creativity and serious attention to detail. Here's a clever little hack. Use an ordinary bag and some paint to create elegant floral prints. It's simple, stylish, and totally worth trying. You'll be amazed by the results.
Now can I get up next to you, up in the middle with it?
Detailing a car's interior can be a chore, but in expert hands, it becomes a masterpiece. The results? Showroom level perfection. Watching eclairs glide down the production line is more than food prep. It's a delicious little performance in motion. Some factory processes are so satisfying that you forget to blink. You're not alone. This kind of content is pure visual therapy. You could watch this guy treat a gravel layer forever. Oddly satisfying. Ever heard of a sticky video? Well, you're watching one now, and it's impossible to look away. Watching metal jewelry being made feels like witnessing a bit of real-life magic, doesn't it? Now that's some serious speed. This person's working like a machine. If you've ever struggled with wallpapering, this is your chance to learn from a pro. Rogan art is all about grace and precision. Each line tells a story straight from the artist's soul.